Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to share another mind-blown item that I found at Sprouts. This is the dusted shrimp. So I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So I found this mind-blown item in Sprouts. It's regularly $13.99. It was actually on sale for $11.99. It has 90 calories, 0 grams of fat, 1,240 milligrams of sodium, 22 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare it and let you know what I think. Here's a quick look at how it looks fresh out the box. It's definitely giving shrimp. You're going to go ahead and drizzle your grapeseed oil and turn it on a medium-high heat. Go ahead and add the dusted shrimp. You're going to cook for a minute on each side. As for the seasoning, I did add a little bit of Old Bay and cayenne. I started to move the shrimp around just to make sure they are getting cooked thoroughly on both sides. Now the other side can cook. Adding the cayenne and Old Bay to the other side. Now it's time to flip the shrimp back on the other side to make sure again they are both cooked evenly. Gave it a quick shake, and now it's time to remove it from the stove. So once it's done, it looks like this. I did add some Old Bay and cayenne. We're doing more like an appetizer setup, so I paired with some spicy ranch by Hidden Valley. Of course, it's plant-powered, plant-based. So here we go. So this is a close-up of how it looks. Yes, it's definitely giving fried shrimp. So let's dig in. Oh, wow. Y'all. The texture. Oh my God. The texture and the taste. So good. You can definitely pair this with some shrimp tacos. You could do a po' boy. You could do shrimp sliders. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, Mind Blown is definitely continuing to blow me away. Y'all. Oh my God. Again, Sprouts. $13.99. You won't be sorry. These are absolutely delicious. Look again, look at this. So good. 10 out of 10. Definitely go try this out as well. Add the scallops, the seafood, and see what's possible. Oh my God. So good. So yeah, while I continue eating these delicious dusted shrimp from Mind Blown, you guys definitely try them for yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again.